Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will share about the speed troubleshooting from gas lock in YouTube video. Before we already share in Buzurgan in 5 May, but today in 11 May 2022. Even what happen if no flow on the surface flow line, only gas on the surface, ampere motor decrease or low, well pressure decrease or zero, sensor reading PD decrease, PI increase, temperature motor increase. If high temperature motor shutdown, if under load shutdown, etc., maybe this gas lock. So troubleshooting, the first we bleed off casing pressure if without breaker and intake pump communicate with annulus casing pressure. So if we bleed off, that means the gas or high pressure in the intake can release like this. Next, differ production line to the culprit line. This to avoid pressure from DGS station, because high pressure also from DGS, because sometimes from station mix line and mix line with other wells and go to DGS station or gas separator like this, and we can monitor the flow content, maybe more gas or more liquid like this. Flush choke, we should be flush choke. Sometimes the choke is dirty, so the pressure trap and cannot release, so we need to flush choke also. HVSD, this for breaker hooks under alarm and overload set above 115% from the normal. But we sometimes we bypass the overload, but this maybe make trouble or damage, because sometimes if overload highest more than required motor, maybe this can damage the motor. So we should be 115% from the normal ampere at the maximum frequency, or the maximum equal the ampere nameplate. The motor have nameplate, and we can see the ampere there. If like example, sometimes the nameplate like 100 horsepower, 2000 voltmeter, and 65 ampere, so should be we make a set point is same 65, don't more. Maybe if more, maybe we can damage the motor if when troubleshooting and high ampere higher than required the motor. If the sensor still ready, make it PD, pressure discharge alarm same above 115% also from the normal, but sometimes we don't know, sometimes we can calculation as hobby biggest PD if 60 Hz, if the high is maximum frequency like this, and if choke like if a choke open 50% like this. And after that, speed up frequency and speed down during up and down. See the response of ampere and try to maximum frequency in 60 Hz. And after that, up and down frequency, if upper increase significant, that means this condition release from the gas lock, because ampere or load or fluid liquid already already respond to the intake. And number 6, monitor also, see the trend of sensor. If PD decrease, PI decrease, PD increase, and PI decrease, TM decrease, this condition doesn't mean release from the gas lock. Monitor also the surface outflow fluid to the colpit sample point and the content of gas fluid. If more liquid, this condition release from the gas lock. Monitor also trend of well head pressure, flow line pressure, but flow line pressure sometimes small because we directly the flow line go to the colpit, so not so big. If we increase this condition, that's mean release from the gas lock, so we can monitor well head pressure, etc. After recovery, after we see the ampere normal, the fluid go to surface, the liquid. So after normal stable recovery, now differ flow from the from colpit to the production line. After that, back setup frequency to the target. As a sample, if frequency before 50 in the normal, and when we troubleshooting have liquid in the 60 Hz, we should be back to the target frequency 50 Hz like this. But keep monitoring PD also, step by step, slowly by slowly to go to target frequency. After that, we can set yes alarm overload and underload and PD set point, and set up yes as before do the troubleshooting. Check all parameter, oil pressure, flow line pressure, flow line temperature, VSD parameter if like as the normal parameter before. After release from the gas lock, and make it test flow rate at DGS station. If flow rate normal like before, as a sample, if before 2000 barrel per day, so if around this flow rate, that's mean release from the gas lock. Okay, thank you. We can discuss if I have mistake, we can discuss in ESP sharing group, this the link, or in artificial lift community. If any critics, also if any adding advice, we can discuss on the group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.